In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a telephone hyperlink in a Mailchimp email campaign. This can be a great way to make it easy for your subscribers to get in touch with you directly from your email. So let's dive in and get started right away. First, you'll want to log into Mailchimp, so open your web browser and head over to mailchimp.com. Once you're on the site, navigate to the campaign or email template that you'd like to edit. If you're new to Mailchimp, the interface might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's pretty intuitive once you get the hang of it. Once you've opened your campaign in the campaign builder, the next step is to decide whether you want to use a text block or a button for your telephone hyperlink. Click on the text block where you plan to insert your phone number. If you prefer to use a button instead, select the button block. Both methods work just fine. It really depends on your design preference. Now, it's time to include your phone number. You can either type it directly into the text block, or if it's already there, just highlight the number. For example, let's say your text reads, "Call us 123 456 78." Here, you would highlight 123 456 7892. This step is crucial because we'll be turning this number into a clickable link. With the phone number highlighted, let's move on to creating the telephone link. You're going to want to look for the link icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small chain. Click on this icon, and in the URL field, you'll type the number in the following format: tel +1123568890. It's important to use this international format with the plus sign and the country code, as this ensures the link will work correctly for anyone clicking it, no matter where they're located. Be sure to omit spaces or dashes within this link format after you've entered your number following this guideline. Click Insert or Save in Mailchimp's editor. Your phone number is now a hyperlink, and we should give it a quick test to make sure it's working as expected. To do this, click on Preview and enter Preview mode. Hover over the phone number. If you see something like tel +1123456789, you're on the right track. To take it one step further, send a test email to yourself and open it on your phone. When you tap the linked phone number, it should automatically open your phone's dialer with that number ready to call. That's it! You've successfully added a telephone hyperlink to your Mailchimp email campaign. This small addition can greatly enhance the interaction you have with your audience, making it easier for them to reach you. Thank you for watching, and happy email!